Um, uh, my name is Hamid Gucci, and today I'm going to talk about microlearning and the role of cloud, mobile, and interactive technologies. This presentation will walk through the what microlearning actually is, why it works, and how modern technology support it. I also share a practical sample related to construction safety training. Um, Here's a quick overview of what I will be covering. I'll start with the essentials, what microlearning means, and the key features that define it. Then I'll discuss its instructional benefits, or in other words, why it has become such a popular approach in modern education. Next, I will explain how cloud platforms, mobile devices, and interactive technologies uh, basically just they make microlearning possible and effective. After that, I'll show a real example of microlearning task, especially it's specifically connected to construction safety, uh, my field of study, and I finally wrap up with the key takeaways. So let's begin. Uh, Microlearning refers to short, focused learning units that uh, target a single objective. Instead of long lessons or hour-long modules, microlearning breaks content into small chunks that are easier to digest. Typically, microlearning module lasts between 5 to 10 minutes. Between 5 to 10 minutes. Though some can go up to 20 minutes depending on the topic. The main difference from traditional electrical e-learning uh, is that it reduced cognitive load uh, because learners receive information in smaller pieces. It becomes easier to process, to digest, to store, and apply it. This format also fits very naturally into busy routines, especially for adult learners. There are a few features that really define this approach. First, microlearning is always bite-sized and centered on a single objective. Second, it uses different media like videos, quizzes, infographics, and interactive scenarios, so the content stays engaging. Third, it is flexible and on demand. Learners can access lessons anytime, anywhere they want. And finally, it's self-paced and learners-centered, which what does it mean? It means that individuals choose what and when they want to learn based on their own needs. These features lead to several instructional benefits. One major benefit is higher retention. Short and focused units reduce overload, which helps learners remember and apply the content more effectively. Microlearning also leads to higher engagement, since the people are less likely to feel overwhelmed or bored. So I think that's the main benefit. Another important benefit is its flexibility. Learners can access these small lessons through their mobile devices during short available moments like breaks or when they're just commuting. Microlearning is also an excellent tool for just-in-time learning, meaning someone can quickly refresh their knowledge right before completing a task or an exam. And from educators' perspective, microlearning is easy to update and cost-effective to produce, especially when delivered through cloud platforms. So now let's look at the technologies that enable microlearning. Cloud technologies make it possible to store and deliver micro lessons from anywhere. They also allow quick updates, version control, and scalability, which is helpful when you're reaching large groups of people. Mobile technologies support microlearning because they allow learners to study on the go. Mobile devices fit the natural pattern of short, flexible learning moments through the day, and interactive technologies like quizzes, simulations, and touch-based elements make learning more engaging and active. These tools help transform short lessons into meaningful learning experiences. Here's an example to show this works in real context. Here's a Microlearning example from construction field. Let's say the goal is to teach workers the basic PPE requirements, then the machine startup sequences for a piece of construction equipment. Instead of making one long training video, we split it into small micro modules. So here is the list, the module list. First module, number one, will be the PPE checklist, and then right after that, module two is machine startup steps. So you can see that there are like small chunks of modules with low to zero cognitive load. Module 3 is the identifying the hazards, and finally module 4 is about emergency shutdown. So each of these modules is short and teaches one clear outcome. And a delivery method also matches microlearning. Learners access the content on a mobile app through short videos and quick quizzes. Everything is cloud hosted, so they can review it during a break or right before operating the equipment. And why it works? This approach actually reduces cognitive load, supports just-in-time learning, and is very easy to update whenever safety procedures change. So it's scalable at any time. So here's my final slide to wrap it up. Microlearning works because it is short, focused, and easy to digest. Again, it is short, focused, and easy to digest. It also gives learners control over their pace and timing. So they can just make it whenever they want. And also cloud, mobile, and interactive technologies make microlearning possible by providing flexible access, engaging formats, and easy content updates. Microlearning is especially effective for discrete skills, quick refreshers, and safety-related tasks, which makes it great fit for the construction and virtual reality context I work with, such as equipment startup, steps, or robot interaction basics. Thank you all. Thank you for listening and watching my presentation. Have a good one.